Oh yeah, so I'm in my long wheelbase Transit 2010, and as you can see, the little spanner light has started to come on, which is telling me the van needs service. Well, the van's had a service quite recently. In fact, the van's had a new engine quite recently, so I don't need that light on. Here's how to get the light off. We've got engine running at the moment. We'll turn the engine off, then we're going to push the brake and the throttle at the same time. Keep them pressed. We're going to turn the ignition on, and we're going to look at what our lights are doing. And should just keep these pedals pressed like they are for a few seconds, and the little lamp should start flashing. Okay, so once it's flashing, which takes about 30 seconds, can then turn the ignition off, and then we restart, and our little service light's gone off. Unfortunately, it doesn't fill the tank up with fuel, but there we are. So hopefully you'll find that useful. If you have, like this video, subscribe to the channel, because that would be really useful for helping me make any future videos. Cheers and bye.